Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day and it's your friend Prince Rana. So today we are going to discuss about a most important topic for everyone, for native fellows and for beginners. How we can learn English speaking through the online platforms and what kind of platforms are available on social media. So today we are going to discuss about each everything step by step, but for the initial stage about okay, yeah, I haven't told you, but I'm gonna let you know. If you haven't subscribed till now, so you must would have start with subscribing and also press the ringing bell. Here you can see there would be a red icon, so you have to hit that red icon and also press the ringing bell. By that you will receive all the notification and all the videos related to my YouTube channel and related to me. So let's come to the let's come to the point. We're going to discuss about what kind of social media are available, what kind of platforms are available on the planet, how we can learn without any teacher, without any personal teachers, without our friend. So today I can say that the YouTube is your best friend, YouTube is your teacher, and also it's for everyone. I can say that it's for it's for them who do not have teacher, who do not have friends, who do not have parents. They can learn without that thing. So what we're gonna do, there are lots of channels are available. I'm just talking about most of the cases. I'm just talking about English speaking. Sometimes we do not have that much of money with we do not have that much of fund, so we can manage any coaching, we can go for any coaching, tuition, we can pay tuition fees. So what we can do in that condition, we can watch and we can subscribe lots of English speaking channels, and also we can subscribe lots of channels related to learning, related to knowledge, so that through that we can learn. And also there are lots of options are available. So if we're going to talking about the most popular channels for that, if you want to work on your English speaking, so I will recommend firstly Janvi Pawar and Alina Rahis, Guru Gopal Das, Swami Radhanath, and there's the last one, Surtaj Sir. You can go and you can work on it, and if you want to work on your vocabulary power, so you can subscribe Vocab Samadhan. There are whatever I have told you approximately 6 YouTube channels. You have to subscribe all those channels so that you can learn, and you can learn lots of things. You can get each every point what is mandatory to do. And also if you're gonna search on YouTube and on social media how I can learn English speaking, so there would be, you can see by yourself, there would be lots of platform will be available for online classes, and also free of cost classes. That is free of cost, you do not have to pay any single amount. And if you are watching right now my video, so for it also you do not have to pay any single amount. It's a free of cost, and it's a free of cost suggestion for everyone. So now I'm gonna tell you again what we can do. Lots of options are available. The second one would be the Play Store. If you're gonna go, when you're gonna visit the Play Store, so where you can see there would be lots of app would be available related to English speaking, related to grammar and all those things. So if you want to learn through the Play Store, through the application, you can install lots of application, like you can install U-Dictionary, e-learning, and there are lots of options are available for that. You also can install you can go and you can install application, lots of application for that, and you can learn through the application. And the last one would be the Chrome. You can go through the Chrome and you can search about how I can learn English speaking, and how I can work on that thing, how I can build my listening skills, speaking skills, writing skills, reading skills. So what you're gonna do, you will see lots of options would be available step by step. You can download the PDFs, you can get all the data. And the most important thing in this condition, I can say that in this generation, every student and everyone using Instagram, they have account on Instagram and they are using for unnecessary thing, but still we can use our Instagram for our benefits. So you can go through the Instagram. There would be, you can see also by yourself, there would be lots of pages available for learning, for English speaking, and for all those things. So if you're gonna search about English speaking, so you can say that there would be lots of options are available, lots of pages will be available. So you have to follow them so that you can learn new things every day. You will get new word meanings and different kind of vocabulary, so that you can use in your daily purpose. You can learn different kind of paras, idioms. I can say that everything you will get through the social media. There are no any single platform. There would be approximately more than 100 plus of platforms are available for learning, and that is totally free. Of course, you do not have to pay for that, and you do not have to go anywhere or the other for learning. You can learn by yourself, and that's going to be all. That's everything will going to be depend on you. Like how do you work on it? So do not care about it. Like I cannot pay that much of amount for that. I cannot afford that much money, and how I'm going to learn without any teacher, without any partners, without any friend. So you do not have to worry. You must should have courage, and you must should have take an oath inside. Like I'm gonna go. I'm gonna give my best. I'm gonna do my ass off. Doesn't matter. I do not have teacher. I do not have friend. But we have to give our best. So that I already recommend. I already have suggest you. What you're gonna do? You have to go and just go and follow the page on social media. Follow the page on Instagram. Do subscribe your YouTube channels, and also go and search on Chrome browser, and also you can follow on Facebook. Like there would be lots of pages will available on Facebook, so you can go and you can follow them. So that going to be all in all, everything will be undercover, everything will be about you. Like you can get lots of benefits. So it's all going to depend on you. Whatever I had an idea, I have suggest you. I already give you tips, so you can go and search. Thank you so much. It's all going to be depend on you what you're gonna do right now. So at the end of this video, you have to hit the subscribe button and also press the ringing bell if you haven't till now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will come soon a new video. Thank you so much.